Here's the preparation video for Luft's Baked Pani Puri. First up, unbox the Baked Pani Puri Kit in which you will find everything you need. 45 pieces fully blown baked Pani Puri puris, Boondi, spicy Pani Puri paste and sweet and sour paste. To make the spicy Pudina Pani, take the Pani Puri paste and add 330 ml of ice cold water. Mix well and there you have it. To make sweet pani, take the sweet and sour paste and add 220 ml of ice cold water and your sweet pani is ready. For the boondi, if you like the crunch, use the boondi directly from the pouch, or if you prefer it softer, you can add it to your panis. Now the big moment. Place the baked pani puris on the plate. Make a little hole on top of each puri. Stuff half of the puris with boondi and then dip it into your sweet pani and spicy pudina pani. No waiting, enjoy the burst of flavors right away.